Hey guys, we are here at the Coronado Springs Resort doing a room tour. We are in room 738. We're in the new Gran Destino Tower, a water view room. It's a gorgeous room. So we enter here and you've got the bathroom on the right with a sliding barn door for some extra privacy. Let's see, you walk in, love the new floors. We've got a shower, full-length glass shower, walk-in shower, and you've got your shampoos, your body wash built in to the shower, which is nice. Got waterfall shower, and then we've got double vanity. We're making good use of the counter space. It's gorgeous, the beautiful tile detail. Some extra storage down here. Let's see here, we've got the toilet in its own room, and there's another pull-out sliding door here, again for some extra privacy. The bathroom area, little art on the wall. All right, so we come out of the bathroom and we have a pull-out, or an open, let's see here, wardrobe, full-size mirror, which is great. You've got a safe, you've got hangers, extra pillows and blankets, so good storage space there. Let's see here, and come in, got a little place for luggage there, but if you don't, I use the bench for my suitcase, but if you want, the beds actually have plenty of space underneath them to fit a suitcase, which is great. So we've got 2 queen beds, very nice. You've got this really great desk workspace area, which is amazing, and we're definitely taking advantage of that. You've got, see your Keurig, you've got ice bucket, cups, paper cups, a little more storage area. Let's see here. And then got the little nightstand here with plenty of USB ports, which is nice. So you've got 2 USBs there, and then you've got 2 plugs there on top of the lamp. And then what's a new feature with some of these new beds are these pull-out reading lights on the sides. So that's kind of cool. And a little chair there. And guys, check out this view. Again, this is a water view room, and it is gorgeous. So there's the back side of Coronado, and you can see the rest of the resort. Coronado is an incredibly large resort. The Gran Destino Tower that we're in now just opened in July, but all the buildings, let's see here, back here, those are all rooms as well that were original to the resort. So everything from preferred to standard. The restaurant there, that is actually the new 3 Rivers Bar and Grill. You can get some really good entrees and appetizers for lunch or dinner and cocktails. And if you can actually see, we're in Coronado's located in the Animal Kingdom area. And if you can see, that's actually Expedition Everest in the back, which I thought was super cool that we could see that from the room. Again, just a really beautiful room. It is technically a moderate resort, but this room feels like a deluxe resort, and it's absolutely beautiful. Oh, and look, it even comes with a full-length mirror on the side there as well. So this is a fantastic value. It's moderate pricing, but it's definitely a deluxe feel. And I'll do a tour of the grounds and the lobby later, but really, really pleased with the room. Oh, and one other thing I wanted to show you. This is a new feature on the televisions. I turned it off, but when you walk in, it's a smart TV. Let's see if I can find it. When you turn it on, look, it knows who you are. So you've got the weather, the resort, and then your name, which I thought was super cool. And then of course you've got, you know, your TV options, Disney On Demand, you can choose your music channel, but I just thought that was super, super neat. Well, anyway, guys, there you go. Water view room at the Gran Destino Tower at Disney's Coronado Springs Resort.